Alright guys, today we are going to be opening a pack of Pokemon cards. Comes with a little mini binder. Alright. Code card. Sableye. Charcadet. Snubbull. Ghastly. Lanoon. Punk Helmet. Alcremie. Lotad. Jumbo Ice Cream. And 3, 2, 1. Just the Moltres. There's the energy. Alright, that'll be it for this one. See you in the next one. Peace.